are now tuned in to Fake Scalp.
I know, you guys are probably sick of hearing about Popeye's chicken sandwich. But what you're not going to be sick of is this heat that I'm about to bring y'all from this lace melt. And this video is sponsored by Hairvivi. You know they're the premier provider for beginner-friendly wigs. You're going to get about 5.5 inches apart in space. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline. And even though this hairline is pre-plucked, you guys know I'm going to have to go in and just pluck it a little bit because that's just what I do to add my little spin on it. But I'm not going to pluck it too much because Hairvivi wigs do come plucked very well. One thing I would like to add that I haven't heard anybody mention is that if you're darker complected, I feel like you do have to pluck the hairline a little bit more, because as you may notice, the hair on the white mannequin appears to be more plucked than when I put it on the canvas head. And that's a similar comparison to how different the wig looks against different complexions. Now this is the gem that I really started using that gives the wig a melted look, and I like to do it off of the canvas head and before I put it on, just so I have more flexibility. And that's, you're going to use this lace wax and you're going to apply it to the hairline, and then you're going to go over it with the hot straightening comb, and that's what's going to give you the really melted look. Okay dolls, so now that I melt the lace, I'm ready to put it on. And I have a ball cap on right now, but that's only because I had one on earlier this week for my birthday. But you really don't need to have a ball cap with this particular wig. It does come with a fake scalp if you prefer the fake scalp. You guys know I don't really rock with the fake scalp. I prefer to do my ball cap. But with Hairvivi wigs, I found that I can actually wear it without my ball cap or anything and it still looks good. So now I'm ready to put it on. And you can already see the melt. This is why I like to do this beforehand. It makes it a lot simpler for the install. Now I'm just taking the comb in the back, and I like to just tuck it under that adjustable elastic band. And this is a glueless wig, so you can wear it glueless. As you see right now, it is on my head. It's pretty secure. However, I am going to glue this down just because I haven't done a glue install in a while, and I just want to show you guys who do prefer to use glue how you can install it. And shout out to Hairvivi for giving me a wig with a side part. You guys see my struggle every time when I do my installs. I have to readjust the part because all these wigs come with the side part, and I really appreciate that they watch my videos and they know I like the side part and they gave me the side part. I really think all hair vendors should have that option because everyone doesn't rock a middle part. And why should we have to go through the extra effort? So I'm about to start a side part movement. So if you like to wear side parts, go ahead and sign my imaginary petition down below. And I'm going to try to get that rocking to have all the vendors offering side part as well as middle parts when you order. Let's keep hope alive. Now I'm going to use this Isha Absolute glue that I've reviewed months ago, but I've used it recently for my vacation because I don't really like sleeping in my wigs, but I like this glue because it gives you a good hold, but it's not like as long of a hold as say the other glues. And this is what the glue looks like. You can purchase this on Amazon. I'll have the links in the description box. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to just cut this down the middle just to make it easier to glue, and then I'm gonna cut it at the dips. Now I feel this glue is pretty beginner friendly and it doesn't have as much of a learning curve as the other glues, and that's one of the reasons why I'm going to use it for this install. And I'm going to do this in sections. And you don't need to apply too much of this glue. You just want to put a nice thin layer and then spread that out. And then you're going to just take the blow dryer and you're going to blow dry this until it dries clear. And then I'm going to place the wig right on top of that glue. And then I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to just kind of press it in. Now I'm going to move on to this section and do the same thing. And guys, one last tip. Don't put on your makeup before you melt your lace. This install would have been a lot cleaner if I didn't have makeup on underneath. And I'm just going to repeat this on the other side. Now dolls, don't apply too much glue. I feel like I did apply a little bit too much, but if you do, you want to be absolutely sure that it dries clear before applying the lace. That is very important. And this glue is pretty good because it actually dries clear within like a minute, unlike other glues. And I'm just going over the hairline one last time with the comb and the blow dryer just to make sure that the glue is dry and clear underneath. Now I'm going to cut the lace. Okay dolls, so I'm cutting the lace with this eyebrow razor. However, you can use a scissor if you want. You want to try to cut the lace as close to the hairline as possible because that leaves less lace to show, which you will later have to make sure blends with your skin. So now at this point I could apply some foundation powder, but I'm gonna apply this Taylor's Crown lace tint that I have. I'm just gonna apply it to the ends of the lace just to kind of get that lace to blend in better with my skin before I tie it down. I was gonna do the foundation because typically I would apply this before putting the lace on and not while it's on, but you know, I do things backwards sometimes. As long as the end result is okay, I'm cool. So I'm just spraying it on this little thing that I have, and I'm just gonna apply it to the front. I don't want to apply it to the part because I do like my part to be lighter. So you can see this is blending a lot better. Cut some of this lace off. I'm going to do a little bit of baby hair, so I'm just going to take some of these hairs out. A very, very thin layer. know what my scarf is, so I'm gonna use one of these wrap strips. I'm just gonna fold it in half, and I'm just gonna apply this on the hairline. I wanna tie it tight. Do y'all see this melt? I'm not gonna lie, I wish I decided against the baby hairs. Just gonna take a little alcohol to clean up. Y'all know what's next.
Bitch, ready ladies, bitches down, y'all about to be mad.
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta hype yourself up, cause these edges is usually a struggle. Let us pray. Okay, I think the baby hairs turned out okay. Not bad, not bad. Thank you guys for your love and support.
Who have edges? I have edges. Who have edges? I have edges.
Now time to finish it up with a couple of curls. So I just added some curls to it and put on my lipstick, and this is pretty much what it is looking like. And I could have left it without baby hair. You guys know I typically prefer to do no baby hairs and glueless. This time I decided to switch it up just for those of you guys who actually do like baby hairs and glue. This is 160% density from Hairvivi. As you saw, you can wear this wig glueless. You can wear it without baby hairs. It's all about options. Just because I added it doesn't mean you have to. The wig that I'm wearing is in 18 inches. Let me stand up so you guys can see where that lands. Hairvivi makes very beginner friendly wigs. As you saw, it really didn't need much. It already came pre-plucked, bleached knots with a lot of parting space, and you really just could have put it on, cut the lace, and go. If you want to see an install similar to that, I did do that in my last Hairvivi video, so I'll be sure to link that up top for you. If you're interested in this, I have all the links in the description box down below. And Hairvivi is giving you a chance to earn $20 cash back if you shoot a 1-minute video highlighting a simple install wearing their wigs. I'll have all the information in the description box down below as well. So dolls, let's get back to naming these wigs. I'm gonna need your help naming this beauty. What are we gonna call her? Go ahead and leave your suggestions in the comment section down below. And if you're not part of the faithful gang, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. As always, dolls, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and I'll catch you in my next video. Take care now.